So what is Mentissa? Have everyone completed it?
No, sir.
No.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, Kevin.
Sir, I now only joined, sir.
Yeah, you first copy this one, Kevin. Just I have introduced Mentissa.
Okay.
Kevin.
Sir, I'm not in the group, sir.
Yeah. I have stored some other number on your name. That is a problem. So, Kevin, mathematics, there's a number. Okay, I think I have wrongly. That is Kevin Humesh Kumar. You are Kevin Humesh Kumar.
Kevin Dilshan.
You are not Kevin Humesh Kumar, no? Kevin. You are not Kevin Humesh Kumar, right? But
Yes, sir, I'm not.
Humesh Kumar, okay. I have sent the link to Humesh Kumar. Kevin Humesh Kumar. Have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir.
Right. So when will you call it is a Mentissa? When will you call it is a Mentissa? In front
When we have
of
one
the
digit
decimal.
in front of the decimal point.
In front of the decimal point, if there is a single digit in front of the decimal point, if there is a single digit non-zero, then it is a Mentissa. Correct?
Yes.
So if 0 is there in front of the decimal, will it be a Mentissa?
No, sir.
No.
No,
So to be a
sir.
Mentissa,
No, sir.
okay, to be a Mentissa in front of the screen is becoming small, no? Your screen is also becoming small. The screen window is becoming small. Is it becoming small to you?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, you can well clearly see the screen, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then no problem. Now, let us introduce another thing. This is a number. Is it a Mentissa?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Can you see the decimal point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is
Yes,
the,
sir.
what is it?
Decimal point.
Decimal point.
Decimal.
Decimal point.
Decimal point. Okay. If you take this number, can you see a decimal point?
No.
No. If you don't see a decimal point, we call them by the word, they are whole numbers. For whole numbers, you have to understand the decimal is in the last. They will not write it. Now, 357. Where is the decimal?
The last.
Last.
If
After the
it
seven.
is in the last. If it is in the last,
At the end.
in the end, right side end. If it is in the right side end, they will not write it. They will not
Write it.
write it. But here, that is very important. Now say there is 7,000 or 70,000. Where is the decimal?
Last.
Is in the last. Okay. Is it clear for everyone?
Yeah.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Could you please make a note on this? Have everyone marked it?
No, sir.
No, sir. Done, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, I am going to tell you how to write a number in what format? Scientific notation. In this one, we are dividing the numbers into two. One, not necessary to divide like this, but first of all, numbers greater than 10. To whom you are going to write this?
Numbers
Numbers greater than 10. I am choosing this number as my first choice. 335 point, what is it? 6. Here, can you see the decimal place?
Yes, sir.
If this decimal is coming to the Mentissa place, where should it come?
Beside the 2.
Beside the 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
After 2.
After 2, between 2 and 3,
Yes.
agree? Then
Yes,
you
sir.
guess,
Yes,
you
sir.
see,
Yes,
you
sir.
want to jump one digit and another digit to come to the Mentissa point, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now I am writing it as 2.356. Is it correct now, Mentissa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many times you jumped?
2
2
times.
times.
That you write 10 to the power of 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let us go for another
Yes, sir.
example. 37, 58.7. How to write the Mentissa?
3.758.
3.87.
1.587.
7. Correct?
Multiplied by
2
Multiplied by, guess, 1 jump, 2 jump,
Multiply
3
by
jump,
10 to the power
10 to the power
10 to the
10 to the
power
power
of
3.
3. Clear?
3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10 to
Right.
the power 3.
Third example. Okay. 42.5.
Yes, sir.
Simple example.
4.25.
4.25 into 10 to the power of 1.
Into 10 to the power 1.
1. Now, another example, let's start in the simple number. I am just taking how much? 400. In the 400, there's no decimal. So we have to place the decimal
The last.
in the last. From the last, if you jump, you will get
At the end.
4.00 into 10 to the power of 2. Remember,
4.00.
4.00, don't speak in the middle.
10 to the power 2.
No. 4 into 10 to the power of 2. That means 0.00 has no meaning. Because 0.00 doesn't have meaning, we write as 4 into 10 to the power of 2. Now tell how will you write this value? 7.000. Actually, how much?
7
7.
10
7.
to the power of
10 to the power of 3.
2. 10 to the
Clear?
power 3.
Now say,
Yes, sir.
you have 100,000. How will you write it?
Yes, sir.
1 times 10 to the power of
1.0000000. How will you write that one?
1 into
1 into
10 to the power 5.
10 to the power of 5. Are you clear?
Yes,
Right.
10 to
Could you
the
please,
power
could you
5.
please write down these examples?
10 to the power 5. Yeah. Okay.
உங்களோட போன தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறேன். என்ன பாஸ்கோடு? ஒரு பெரிய கரைச்சல். சரியா?
Done, sir.
Right. Have everyone completed it?
No, sir.
Rahuma is there. Rahuma completed. And today Rahuma is not there.
Done, sir.
Right. Have everyone completed it now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Remember, we can do this, we can write it in 2 steps also. I am doing it in 1 step now. Now see, 338.1. This is the number. You want to write it in the, what is it? Scientific notation. You can think to write the Mantissa. What is the Mantissa of this?
2.381.
381.
381.
To reach the Mantissa, how many digits should be jumped? 2. That your book says that you write it as put 1, 2 jump no, put 2 zeros. Now how it is coming? 100. 100. That 100 you write it as, okay, 10 to the power of, what is it? 2. My method is single step. Understood? Right. You tell me, how will you
Yes, sir.
write in
Yes,
the
sir.
school book method? How do you write this?
2.0000.
When there are many zeros, you write only 1 0. Okay. Tell.
2.0
2.0
Into
into
1
then
10 over
10 over 4 means
10,000.
10,000. Now 2.0 you can write it as
2.
2. 10,000 you can write it as
2
4
10 to the power
into
count the zero
10 into
and write.
4.
Understood? Now see 34.7. How will you write this?
3.47.
3.47 into 1 jump, put 1 and put a 0.
Screenshot எடுக்காமா
3.47 into
10 to the power of
10 to the power of 1. Okay. Now see 3.47 there. 3.47 there. Is it a Mantissa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If it is Mantissa, is there anything you jump? No.
sir.
Okay. That is 10 to the power of 0. Jumping number is
10 to the power of
0. If 1 jump, we write 1. If no jump, we write 0. Now see, number 6 is there. How will you write this?
6 into 10.0.
6 into 10 to the power of
0.
0.
If there is 16, how will you write it?
16 into 10 to the
16 into
power
10
No.
1.6 into
1.6 into 10.
10 to the power of 1.
Yeah.
1.
1.6 into 10 to the power of
1.
1. Could you please mark it down this?
Done, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
No, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Have you completed it?
No, sir. Done, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. Now, if you take this table, actually, in scientific notation, this middle part is not important. Understood? Can you tell me how to write this 8 in this place?
8 into
8 into 10.
8
10.
into,
1.
you have to write 8 into 1.
1.
But you have to write
8 into 1.
8 into 1. Here, what will you write? 8 into 10 to the power of 0. Understood? Is it understandable by everyone? Is it understandable by everyone?
Yes, sir.
8, you can write 8 into 1. 1 is 10 to the power of 0. So here we write 10 to the power of, what is it? 0. Here we write 8 into 1. Single digits or mentissa coming mean middle will be 0. How will you write the second one?
9.9.
9.9.
9.9 into
10.
10.
10. Scientific notation,
9.9.
9.9 into 10. 9.9.
9.9 into
10 to the power 1.
10 to the power of 1. How do you write 78?
7.8.
0.8 into 10.
10. How do you write that one in scientific notation?
7.8.
1.8
into 10 to the power of
1. Right. Now, second one. 999. How will you mark?
9.99 times
9.99 into mainly the middle part. How will you mark? In that place only, there will be some challenges coming because I introduced to you directly this method. So this method you will come to the answer quickly. In the middle part only sometimes challenging for you. That's why I'm sticking there. In school, the teacher will be giving that one. No. Okay. 999. How will you write the middle part?
9.99 into 100.
9.99 into 100. That's all. Middle part you tell. 401. How will you write the middle part?
4.01 into 100.
Into 100. Okay. This one, how will you write the middle part?
1.11
1.11 into
100.
100. 999. How will you write the scientific notation?
9.9 into 10 to the power 2.
10 to the power of 2.
401. How will you write the scientific notation?
4.01 into 10 to the power 2.
2. 111. How will you write the scientific notation?
1.11 into 10 to the power 2.
Right. In that way, how will you write this one in the middle format?
5.4200 into 1000.
Don't say 200. 5.42 only. Skip the last zeros. Tell me again.
5.42
Into
5.4
1000.
into
1000 or 10,000?
10,000.
10,000.
1000 or 10,000?
10,000.
10,000. Here, take the second number. How do you write the middle part?
4.94 into 10,000.
Is it 10,000? Is it 10,000 coming? 1, 2, 3,
No, sir.
4. How many jumps?
6 zeros.
6 zeros.
6 jumps.
6 jumps. So 4.94 into
100,000.
6 zeros, 1 million. How much is this? How will you write the middle part?
1.
1
1 into
Ah,
100,000.
100,000 or 1 million.
1 million. 1 million.
1 million. How will you write this one in scientific notation?
5.42 into
5.42 into
10 to the power of 4.
4.
10 to the power 4.
How will you write the H? This one in scientific notation.
4.94 into 10 to the power of 6.
6. How will you write this one in scientific notation?
1 into 10 to the power of
10 to the power 6.
Right. This is not here. This you can directly tell. What will you write for this one scientific notation?
2.
2.
2.
10 to the power 0.
Eh?
2 into 10 to the power of 2.
2 into 10 to the power of 2. யாரையும் உங்ககிட்ட வச்சுக்கொள்ள வேணாம். கெவின், இந்த சின்ன பிள்ளைகள்லாம் கிட்ட வச்சுக்கொள்ள வேணாம் கிளாஸ்ல. ஏற்கனவே நெட்வொர்க் கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கிறதால ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு தான் கிளாஸ் செஞ்சு கொண்டிருக்கிறேன். உங்களை சின்ன பிள்ளை கதைக்கிறது, ஜோக் அடிக்கிறது எல்லாம் பார்த்து கொண்டிருக்கிறது எனக்கே இல்ல. So if you take 200, where is the decimal?
Between 2 and 0.
Where is the decimal now?
In the last.
In the last. So 1 jump, 2 jump. 2 into 10 to the power of 2. That way you have to think. Now, what is the
2.50
2.50
to the power of
50
into
54
to the power 2.
2. Third one,
10.010
1.0 into 10 to the power 3.
D,
5.290 into 10 to the power of 3.
Into 10 to the power of 3.
E,
7.4300 into 10 to the power of 4.
10 to the power of 4.
F,
3.440
10 to the power
into 10 to the power of 5.
5.
G,
6.581200 into 10 to the power of 6.
H,
34 multiplied by 10 to the power 0.
7.34 into 10 to the
To the
power
power
2.
of 0.
I,
1.85 into 10 to the power of
10 to
2.
the power 2.
2,
10 to the power of 1.
J,
7.158 into 10 to the power of
10 to the power 3.
right. Now, an important thing with you. Here, because if that is there only, another note for you. Here, say there is 3.10. Okay. Here, the last 0, you need not to write. 3.10 is how much?
3.1.
3.1. Now say 3.250. Cut the last 0. How much coming?
3.25.
3.25. Okay, 5.2800. In the last any many zeros you have to cancel.
5.2.
Cancel.
5.
5.28. Okay. Now say 1.020.
1.02.
1.02. Last zeros you have to
Cut.
cancel. Last zeros you have to cancel and practice. Once again, how will you write this first one?
2.
2 into
2 into 10 to the power of 2.
Second B,
2.54.
2.54
2.54.
10 to the power of 2.
C,
1.01.
1.01 into 10 to the power of 3.
Power of 6.
will you take this zero?
No.
No. D,
0.29 into 10 to the power of 3.
E,
7.43
0.43 into 10 to the power of 4.
Power of 4.
F,
3.4 10 to the power of 5.
To the power of 5.
G,
6.5
0.5812 into 10 to the power of 6.
into 10 to the power of 6.
H,
7.34 into 10 to the power of
0.
10.0.
I,
1.85 into 10 to the power of
1.85 into 10 to the power
Power of
0.
0.
1, J,
7.158 into 10 to the power of 2.
right. How will you write this number? Scientific notation.
2.54 into 10 to the power of 3.
To the power of
3.
3. How will you write this number?
9.3 into 10 to the power of 3.
3. How will you write this number?
3.35 into 10 to the power of 2.
10 to the power 2.
How will you write this number?
6.561 into 10 to the power of 4.
4. So, is it clear how to do this part?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Exercise 13.1. Okay, are you clear?
Yes.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is your heading.
Yes, sir.
பாவம் ரீஷா, அதுக்கு நெட்வொர்க் குழப்பம் இன்னைக்கு. எல்லாத்துலயும் ஆன்சர் சொல்லுது 3 பின்னுக்கு தான் வந்து உள்ளது. ரைட். Writing a number between 0 and 1 in scientific notation. This is your heading.
Done, sir.
We have to do the exercise now.
No. You write the heading.
Okay, sir.
Writing a number between 0 and 1 in scientific notation.
Done, sir.
Completed it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Remember, these numbers, they are telling between whom and whom? 0 and 1. If it is between 0 and 1, these numbers, okay, these numbers start as 0 point something, 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 something. That is not our problem. How do they should start?
0 point.
0 point.
0 point. I will take the first example. 0.1, 2, 3. Let's start with the simple one. Here, is it Mentissa?
No.
No.
No, sir.
To go to Mentissa, this decimal should jump 1 to this side, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is 1.23 division 10, jump number
1.
1. We write 1 here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is 1.23 into 10 to the power of minus 1. This is easy. I will take another example. 0.356. How will you write it?
3.56.
3.56 over, you write 10.
10
That
to the
is
power 1.
3.56 over 10 to the power of 1. That is 3.56 into 10 to the power of minus 1.
Minus
So
1. Yes, sir.
see, 0.456 is there. How will you write?
4.56
4.56 over
by 10.
Over
10
10
equal to
power
4.56
6 over 10 to the power of 1 equal to
1.
or 10 to the power
4.56 into 10 to the power of minus 1.
1.
equal to
Could you please mark these examples?
4.56 into 10 to the power minus 1.
Could you please mark these examples? வசிம்பாரி உனக்கு மட்டுமாமா ப்ராப்ளம் எனக்கும் இன்றைக்கு கனெக்ஷன் சரியான ப்ராப்ளம் this rainy weather is there no okay normally Sri Lanka is it is the dirtiest country in the world okay in this one the network the climate also headache
Done.
Done, sir.
Completed it?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone completed it?
No, sir.
Okay, then complete.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Have everyone
Yes, sir.
completed it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, I am taking another number. 0.0235. Now, to go to the Mentissa level, how many decimals to jump?
2.
Two.
2.
One place, two place. That number 2.35.
2.3
How many
divided by
jumps?
2.
Two
10,
jumps. That
10
is
to the power
100. Don't speak in the middle. நான் பேசும்போது பேசுறது இல்ல. Other people have to understand it now. .35 over 100. 2.35. Okay. 100 mean 10 to the power of 2. That is 2.35 into 10 to the power of -2. Understood? 0.0876 there. How will you do it?
8.76.
8.76
Over 100.
Over 100.
100
Which is
equal to
Equal to
8.76
8.76
8.76
divided by
10 to the power of 2,
2,
which is equal to
it is equal to
8.76
8.76
into 10 to the power of 2.
into 10 to the power of
-2.
-2. Two examples enough. You can complete it down.
Done.
Done, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
No, sir.
Complete. No problem.
Done, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. Now 0.00389. How can we write?
3 jump. 3.89.
Tell me the way of writing.
3.89.
3.89 over 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump. How much? 1,000. This is 3.89 over 10 to the power of 3. That is 3.89 into 10 to the power of, what is it? -3. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can mark that also.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Right. Now let's go to the textbook. Let us see what kind of questions they have given you. How can we write this?
8.43.
8.453
4.3 divided by 10.
divided by 10, that is equal to
4.53.
8.453
8.453 divided by 10 to the power of 1
1, that is equal to
equals to 8.453 into 10 to the power of minus 1.
-1. Good. How can we write this?
4.7.
4.7 divided by 100 divided by 100, that is equals to 7 divided by 10 to the power of
Power 2.
10 to the power 2.
Then
4.7 10 to the power minus 2. Minus 2.
10 over 2. 4.7 multiplied by 10
how can you write this?
power minus 2.
1.7
1.7
divided by
divided by
1, 2, 3, 4,
10,000.
10,000. 1, 2. Is it 10,000 or 100,000?
100,000.
So 1.7 over 100,000, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
100,000 mean
10,000.
it's not 10,000. How it is 10,000?
Because it has 4 zeros.
10,000.
1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, 5 jump. Decimal has to come here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then how many zero? What is coming? 1.7 over
100,000.
100,000. 100,000 mean 10 to the power of how much?
5.
5.
Yes, sir.
Now see, those are the answers they have written. See? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So actually, in writing scientific notation, just jumping is enough. Jump here. How many jump?
2.
2. 4.1 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Here, how many jump?
2.
2. How will you write it? Tell me the scientific notation directly.
5.9
into
10 to the power minus 2.
Minus 2. That's all. C.
4.9
4.9
4.9
9 into 10 to the power of 3.
10
10 to the power of
3.
to the power of minus 3.
minus 3. Tell me the D.
1.35
1.35 into 10 to the
power
power of 4.
4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 5 or 6. How many jumps?
6. 5.
5
6 or 5?
6
5.
6.
5 5 5
6 jumps. 6.
6 jumps.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the decimal come here, is it Mantissa?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. If the decimal comes here only, it is
Mantis.
Mantissa. So to come to the Mantissa, how many jumps?
6 jumps.
6 jumps.
6 jump.
Then how it is coming?
5 into 10 to the power
5
of minus
into
6.
10 to the power of
6.
Minus 6.
minus 6. How will you do this?
3.9
3.9
power
into 10 to the
10 to the
power
power of 6.
0.9 into 10 to the power
minus 6
minus 6.
Minus 6. How will you do this?
1.11345
into the 10 to the
10 to the power 1
1.
minus
Minus 1. The middle dividing part you can do now. Correct?
Yes.
Right. How will you write this?
8 into 10 to the power 2.
10 to the power of
minus 2.
minus 1
Minus 2.
minus 2. How will you do this one?
5.43 into
5.43 divided by 10 to the power
10 to the power
minus
minus
1.
1.
1.
How will you write this?
4
into minus 4
to the power
10 to the
4 into 10 to the power of 4.
10 to the power
Minus
minus
4
Aina, don't miss that minus. Continuously you are missing the minus. How will you tell this?
1.9
1.9
1.9
minus 3.
10 to the power minus
10 to the
3.
power minus 3.
How will you tell this?
9.5
9.5 power minus 4.
10 to the power of minus 4.
minus 4.
How will you tell this?
5.4
5.4 into 10 to the power
10 to the power
10 to the power
Minus 8.
minus 8.
minus 8.
minus 8.
Minus 8. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Remember, scientific notation is a very, very important concept in future lessons. Okay, when you come to grade 10, you will be studying an area called logarithm. Logarithm is completely based on scientific notation and mantissa. Okay, that is what here you are getting introduced. Okay, doesn't matter. What is the scientific notation of this?
1
1 into 10
power
to the power minus 9.
10 to the power
Minus
minus
9.
9.
Minus 9. What is the scientific notation of this?
1.29 into 10 to the power minus 3.
What is the scientific notation of this?
8.89 divided by
5.
10 to the power
10 to the
minus
power
5.
minus 5.
Minus 5. 5.
5. Right. So now exercise number 13.2. You can do. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Exercise number 13.1 also you can do. Exercise number 13.2 also you can do. Okay,
Yes, sir.
without putting the next idea immediately, I will tell the next idea in Monday class. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
you children do the 13.1 and 13.2 and send it to me before Sunday night.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so inshallah
Okay, sir.
Monday I will introduce you the remaining part and we'll go to the rounding off.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
At the moment, no need to load ourselves. These two are understood, no? Are you clear with
Yes.
these two?
So Monday we are doing geometry, right?
Okay, coming class. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Coming Friday class. We will discuss this further. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
You
Okay, sir.
complete this one and send it to me. Monday we are doing geometry, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Geometry is also continuing there. Okay. So we will meet inshallah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Bye then. Assalamu alaikum.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.